one of our subscribers commented, I believe it was Danny Talavera. He commented the watermelon rubber band challenge. And if you don't know what that is, you technically take a watermelon and a whole bunch of rubber bands, put it around it until it explodes. So, let's get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to be doing this like this. So, it's just me today. I don't have anyone else with me, so. Alright, band numero 1. Oh, geez. Alright, got the first band on. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, this is gonna take forever. But we'll go in time step right now. Guys, so this, I've put on 10 rubber bands. This is what it looks like. Obviously, it's not gonna do anything, so obviously, but hopefully it explodes. It's pretty hard to get them on here with just one person, but doing this for you guys. Alright guys, so I just put on, I believe 50 bands right now. It doesn't look like it's doing much at all. Hasn't changed form or anything. But, I mean, I'm gonna get you a better picture of it. Give me the top view. But, yeah, this is gonna take a long time. So, leave a like on this video if you think this is going to work and explode. That's what I'm hoping for. And always subscribe, and let's get right back into it. You might be wondering why Carson is here, but I just called him because my finger, if you can't see it, it's like cut and like I need help, so I just called him to come over to help me. But yeah, if you guys were wondering why he came over, that was why. So I'm taking a break right now, and hopefully it seems like it has been deformed and stuff, but let's get right back into it. Well guys, hate to say it, but we used half a pound of rubber bands. And it is still hasn't exploded, but hopefully it explodes. It's what half pound of rubber bands looks like on a watermelon. Hopefully it explodes. But if not, I can always get some more rubber bands. But alright guys, I got great news. Well, it's not amazing news, but you know. So if you take a look at this watermelon, I don't know if you can see it well, but it is dripping. See on the ground? That's from this. So I think it's about to explode. So hopefully I get this on camera. But let's keep going. Yay! Look at that! Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is a celebration.
Dude, see what it recorded. Look.
Look at that.
Bro, look.
Woo! Oh, now. Oh, no. Oh! Oh! So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That was amazing. I've actually seen that in person for once. And if you loved this and liked it, please subscribe because this was amazing. This was such a fun time for me. And comment down what we should do next.